Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 display settings you should change on your Samsung Galaxy M23. So in order to do that we'll need to go to our settings, then find display, and from here we can change all of these settings. So let me show you 5 of the most useful in my opinion. The first one would be changing from light mode, which will be default, to dark mode. As you can see, the screen is already more pleasant to look at and it doesn't hurt your eyes as much. The next option is to disable adaptive brightness and use the manual slider just like that, because it's just much more better to use it yourself, because the phone, when it's out on automatic, changes brightness sometimes to this dark, and I want it a bit brighter right now. So yeah, just make sure to disable that. The next option is eye comfort shield, and I would enable that when you'll be reading something or just before the hour before the sleep and you're planning on just using your phone in the bed or something like that, because it's more comfortable to sleep after that and it doesn't damage your eyes as much if this setting would be disabled. The next option is font size and style, and I would change it to the second option right here, because then you can just fit more things on your screen when the font size is a bit smaller, because in default it's like that. The next and the last option is screen timeout, and I would put it about 5 to 2 minutes on your phone, because when it's more or less or higher, it's a bit annoying sometimes when you just put your phone in a pocket or something. So yeah, just make sure to change all of these settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.